Hey guys, it's George from LTS Security Australia here, and we've got a few things to show you today. These are the intercom modules and the intercom surface mount bracket. I'm going to unbox these and show you basically what you get. We'll start with the keypad. This is the card reader module. So this is the LTH-M201-MCR. So here we've got the camera module. I've already shown you this in previous videos. So basically you've got a little user guide. So this is the MyFair module, card reader. So we'll just chuck that back in here. So yeah, you've got basically, that's what you get in the package. It's got a little bit of a cover for the protect the surface until you install it. If you notice on the back, there's this little rubber seal for your dip switches. So we'll show you how to program the dip switches. And then you've got your RS485 in and out. And this is for programming, resetting. Don't need to worry about that. So this is the MyFair module. And here we have the LTH-M201-KP. This is the keypad module. So the keypad module, you get the same sort of thing. Keypad. It's got a nice feel to it. The button's quite responsive. Same sort of thing on the back. You've got the rubber seal and RS485. These are all outdoor rated. They get sealed when you put them in the bracket. So with this is the surface mount bracket. So we also do have these in flush mount, which get recessed into the wall. You get, there's a little mounting template in there, if you can see that. It helps you install the equipment. What we do need here is these two little cables. You've got an earth cable as well if you can earth the product. It's recommended. There's a couple of little cable ties and some screws. And what we will need is the hex screwdriver. So this is the aviation grade aluminium. They're very well designed and high quality. The only thing that I could say personally I think could be done better is a little bit more room for your cable management behind. It gets pretty tight, and also the screws that are supplied are very, very thin, and you can't really get screws that will fit through the holes that have a bit more of a bigger head, but it is what it is. So basically that comes off with the hex screw. You can pop your camera module in the top. That fits in like this. And then you can install your keypad module. Obviously this would get installed first on the wall. You drill your holes, line it up, make sure it's centered. And then after that you can install them. You need to use these cables, so usually you get two cables. One goes from the camera module to, let's pop that out first, it's easier. So that's the RS485, this is how they communicate together. The other pops into the RS485 in, like so. Okay, and then that slots in like that. So after that's in, then you can install the cover. You screw the top, screw the bottom, and that's now securely fastened. So if you were to install a third, because we do have another module I'll show in another video, you would use this as another, from this to that, so that would go from the out to the in. But for today, we're just going to show how to set up the one-to-one first, so the single keypad to the camera module, and then we'll swap that out with this and show you how to address this to that without this, and then we'll do another video of all three, so you'll have basically the keypad and the card swipe together.